What are the functions of the kidney?
Hi, my name is Raman. I am a nephrology nurse here in Canada. So for today, we're going to talk about what are the functions of our kidney. The first function of our kidney is to control the acid-base balance. Our kidney is responsible for reabsorbing the bicarbonate in the urine and at the same time secreting the hydrogen ions. The second function of the kidney is to control water balance. Our kidney is responsible for filtering our blood and at the same time removing excess water. The third function of our kidney is maintaining electrolyte balance, such as potassium, sodium, chloride, magnesium, calcium, and bicarbonate. The fourth function of our kidney is removing toxic substances and waste products in our body, such as uric acid, urea, creatinine, and some medications. The fifth function of our kidney is controlling blood pressure. Our kidney is very sensitive and responsive to a hormone produced and secreted by the adrenal gland known as aldosterone. Aldosterone is responsible for retaining sodium and water that increases intravascular fluid volume and thereby increasing our blood pressure. Another function of our kidney is the production of erythropoietin. Erythropoietin is a hormone responsible for stimulating the production of RBC. And lastly, our kidney is responsible for activating vitamin D. Vitamin D is important in terms of regulating calcium absorption in the bone. So these are the functions of our kidney.